The accounting profession stands at a pivotal crossroads, transformed by the dual forces of artificial intelligence and automation. While traditional accounting tasks are increasingly handled by sophisticated software, the role of accountants is not diminishing but somewhat evolving into something more dynamic and strategically valuable. This transformation mirrors broader patterns in how technology reshapes professional landscapes, creating new opportunities even as it automates routine tasks. The fundamental shift in accounting began with the digitization of basic bookkeeping tasks. Modern accounting software has revolutionized how businesses handle their financial records, performing what once required hours or days of manual work in seconds. These systems can automatically track expenses, manage payroll, and generate comprehensive financial reports with minimal human intervention. The technology has become so sophisticated that it can scan receipts, categorize transactions, and even identify potential anomalies or unusual patterns in financial data. Small businesses have been particular beneficiaries of this technological revolution. Where they once required the services of a full-time accountant to manage their books, they can now handle many daily financial tasks through user-friendly applications. These tools reduce costs, minimize human error, and provide real-time financial insights that were previously impossible to obtain without significant effort. The democratization of accounting tools has made professional-grade financial management accessible to entrepreneurs and small business owners who might have previously found such services out of reach. The automation of compliance and tax preparation represents another significant advance. Artificial intelligence systems can now navigate complex regulatory requirements, ensure adherence to financial reporting standards, and even accurately prepare tax returns. These systems continuously update their knowledge bases to reflect the latest regulations and requirements, providing precision and consistency that would be challenging for human accountants to maintain across all aspects of their work. Rather than rendering accountants obsolete, this technological revolution has elevated their role to greater strategic importance. Modern accountants are evolving into financial advisors and business strategists, leveraging their expertise to help organizations make informed decisions about their financial future. This transformation mirrors how calculators didn't eliminate the need for mathematicians, but instead enabled them to focus on more complex and interesting mathematical challenges. Today's accountants spend less time on data entry and basic calculations and more time analyzing financial trends, identifying growth opportunities, and helping businesses optimize their financial strategies. They serve as interpreters of financial data, translating complex numerical information into actionable business insights. This shift requires accountants to develop new skills beyond traditional accounting knowledge, including data analytics, strategic planning, and business consulting. The value of human accountants now lies in their ability to understand the context behind the numbers. While AI can identify patterns and anomalies in financial data, it takes human expertise to understand the business implications of these patterns and recommend appropriate courses of action. Accountants now focus on questions that require judgment, experience, and an understanding of business dynamics that AI systems cannot yet replicate. The accounting profession will likely continue to evolve as technology advances. The successful accountants of tomorrow will be those who can effectively combine traditional financial expertise with technological literacy and strategic thinking skills. They will need to understand both the capabilities and limitations of AI and automation tools, using them to enhance rather than replace their professional judgment. This evolution may lead to new specializations within the field. Some accountants may focus on developing and implementing AI systems for financial management, while others might specialize in complex financial strategy or risk management. The profession may also see increased integration with other business disciplines as financial advice becomes more closely tied to overall business strategy. The relationship between accountants and their clients is also transforming. Rather than periodic meetings to review financial statements, accountants can now provide continuous strategic guidance supported by real-time data and sophisticated analysis tools. This ongoing partnership allows for more proactive financial management and better informed business decisions. The transformation of accounting through technology represents not the end of the profession, but its evolution into a more sophisticated and valuable business function. While AI and automation handle routine tasks with increasing efficiency, human accountants can focus on higher value activities that require professional judgment, strategic thinking, and business acumen. This shift mirrors a broader pattern in how technology impacts professional work. Rather than replacing humans, it often enhances their capabilities and allows them to focus on more meaningful and complex challenges. The accounting profession will continue to adapt and evolve as we move forward. The successful accountants of tomorrow will be those who embrace technology while developing the strategic and analytical skills that machines cannot replicate. In this way, automating traditional accounting tasks may lead to a more dynamic and influential role for accountants in the business world as they transition from number crunchers to strategic business advisors. If you like the video, subscribe. Thank you for watching.